An energy audit? No, okay. Hi, I'm Rhys Davis. I'm a graduate student researcher at the Energy Conservation Office. Today, we'll be talking to you about home energy audits. A home energy audit is the study of how your house uses energy. From lighting to heating to cooling and everything in between. Some of it might be electricity and maybe some of it's natural gas. But if you're looking for ways to cut down your electricity and natural gas bills and cut your carbon footprint down in the process, then a home energy audit is a great place to start. Let's start with the air conditioner, probably the biggest user of energy in your house, at least in Central California. If you're able to find your air conditioner's nameplate information, take a note of the model number, the volts, the amps, and the watts if it gives it to you. If you can't safely access your air conditioner, like many of you whose air conditioner is on the roof and don't have a sturdy ladder, there's another way to do this. First, find your smart meter. If you're in PG&E territory, it's probably somewhere around your house. It's possible that if you live in an apartment complex, it could be a little bit farther away, but hopefully you have access to it. Once there, look closely and wait for the display to show kilowatts. That's the power draw of your house at this moment. Next, turn on your air conditioner. Finally, go check your smart meter and see how much the power draw has increased. This is how much power your air conditioner draws when on. Don't forget to turn off your air conditioner after you turn it on to test it. Next, check the nameplate information or the model number on all of your major appliances, such as your oven. You can usually find it back there. Your microwave. You can usually find it here. Your refrigerator, which who knows where it is, somewhere deep in there. Your dishwasher. It's usually along the side. Your washing machine, usually somewhere around there. Your dryer. And I know it's hot out right now, but don't forget to check your water heater and your furnace, which may be connected to your air conditioner. Finally, check out any plug loads you may have, such as laptops, irons that are on, hopefully not on all the time, and fans. Next, you want to check out your home's lighting. That means going around and counting each bulb and noting the wattage on the side. And don't forget outdoor lighting too. Once you've taken stock of all the energy users in your home, estimate the amount of hours you use those appliances during the year. From that, you can go from kilowatts to kilowatt hours, which will give you your total annual energy usage. Once you have an idea of how energy is used in your home, you can start to target different areas for saving energy, such as drying clothes outside instead of in the dryer. Another thing you can do is close the blinds when the sun is coming in to keep the heat from coming in. You can also set a schedule for your heating and cooling needs, as well as adjust the set points. We suggest 75 or higher for cooling and 68 or lower for heating. Our last video with Tom showed you how to use your whole house fan. There it is. At night to bring in cool air. Today we've been talking about home energy audits, which is increasingly helpful, especially now that we're spending a lot more time at home. But the Energy Conservation Office also performs commercial building energy audits on the buildings at campus. This is just one way that we're trying to reach our goal of getting to carbon neutral by 2025 at UC Davis. Thanks for watching. Check out our videos on YouTube and Instagram.